Chord charts, more chord charts. For beginner guitarists, this is really confusing, especially if you don't know how to read a chord chart. So in this video, I'm going to help you understand how to read a chord chart. My name is Shelly. I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, and performer, and I've been playing the guitar for over 50 years. And it's my mission to help new guitar players go from a beginner to being a confident guitar player. How do you read a guitar chord chart? Well, let's start here with this basic diagram. In this diagram, it's showing the frets and the lines, and what that is representing is the guitar. So the lines represent each string on the guitar, and this is the frets on the guitar. Sometimes, or most times, you will see X's or O's across the top. The X's represent that you don't strum that string. The O's means that it's strummed open. So let's take this G chord, for example. There's the dots on each string and each fret showing where your fingers go. Sometimes on the dots, there's the finger numbers, and sometimes the finger numbers are displayed underneath the lines. So this is finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. And if you're still confused a little bit about strings, frets, and finger numbers, I'll put a link to a video here where I explain all of that, and you can go watch that and come back to this one. Sometimes you'll see a solid bar across the fret, and what that represents is your first finger goes across all the strings in a fret. So it means to go like this. If you're a beginner guitarist and you're not quite there yet where you can bar your finger all across the strings, just play your first finger on the first string, like for example the B chord. There's this way to bar it, but you can also play it this way. Sometimes that bar has a curve and it's showing the same thing. It's indicating that you still have your first finger right across the fret. Sometimes it will have the number 1 on each string. Lots of chord charts just show lots of chords like this. They're not in any key signature together, they're just chords. So what I've done is I've made a chord chart for each key signature for you to download. So the link is in the description below, and you can print that off and have that as a reference when you're playing guitar. So for example, here's a snapshot here of what the document looks like. And so you'll see in each key signature, I have the 3 major chords and also the relative minor. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please let me know in the comments below. I have a playlist of how to play guitar for beginners, a step-by-step guide. I'll put a link up above here, and you can go and you can watch all the lessons. They're all in order, and I upload videos once a week, every Monday morning. So if you like this video, please give me that thumbs up and like. It gets me in the algorithms and I can reach more people. If you think that somebody else could benefit from this information, please share. And best of all, please subscribe and click that little notification button so that you get notified when I upload my next video. Keep playing guitar, and I'll see you in the next video.